soon waiting they happen.
You know the guy water.
Make you no worry again about Koro. I believe. Last, everybody, go day alright. Oh Miami, make you no worry. Not kill yourself about Koro. Follow me. I believe so. Last, every little thing is gonna be alright.
Or soon waiting they happen.
You know the guy water.
Okay, citizens of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, anywhere you there for Nigeria, one, thank you for the time until they watch us on top television, they watch us on top ITV, they watch us for YouTube, they watch us for Facebook. When there is life, there is hope. Without say this coronavirus, this pandemic, where they disturb everywhere for the world. Now only God now go locate the scientists and the doctor. We go make sure say we go get the cure. But I there for Benin City, those states outside Nigeria, and I there for the popular Lagos Street, we say different type of business now they open here. But not forget say in case you don't know, since 1933, 9 business they happen for this Lagos Street. Different type of business now they happen here. But I don't state government because of so kind when so kind things will happen. Now they can't give here confirm lockdown. Not forget say for those state now partial lockdown, but for this Lagos Street now lockdown because business people they come from different places for Edo and beyond. They come they buy something for here. And according to the investigation, for inside this Lagos Street, we get where our northern brothers and sisters where they do business, that they bring potato, that they bring rice, that they bring beans, different things they happen here. Then inside for this Lagos Street, they see they sell like chemical and different things where they use for farm and different things like cloth and different things on a very good day as I stand for here. So not be so a big crowd day here, but we want to thank Edo State government, His Excellency, the executive governor of Edo State, for the one to say he sharply fed tight this Lagos Street one time. But more could investigate how the matter be. But government don't talk say until when we say traders for Lagos Street go do test whether they positive or negative before they go allow them continue or open business for here. But we investigate.
Or soon waiting they happen.
You know the guy water.
Not forget say for this Lagos Street, now different tribe now they do business here. But they don't test themselves now. These people where they my back, so they be business people where they do business for this Lagos Street. Government don't say if they test themselves and they don't confirm say they're clear. Maybe that time government will consider how they go take open the business. But the truth of the matter be say like some food product that they sell food product and farm product and different product. And you know say this is the kind of time where we say farmers too need to buy chemical, need to buy food, different business that they happen for this Lagos Street. But we're going to investigate the matter. But government don't talk say make them test themselves. Okay, what do you do?
Oh, they do test.
You be business person for
yes,
this?
for Lagos Street.
For this Lagos Street?
Yes, sir.
So government say after when I don't do no test?
They go consider us.
Consider?
And now they look now.
But how business is there?
Since then, we are not doing anything now. They do a total lockdown for Lagos Street.
For Lagos Street? So if I enter there, I'm not going to see any business?
Nothing.
So all these people, so now business that they do for this?
All of us.
Well done, Oga. But you do business for this Lagos?
Yes, so but since 2 weeks now, since 2 months, I've never stepped in my leg for them. They have been pushing us up and down. I don't know the reason
That's
why.
why government say because win say it be like say something happen.
Like what?
According to investigation, no. Say it be like say something happen.
At where?
For this Lagos Street.
Like what?
That's why they say make you sure say your own clear, so.
My cut me now. Woman, very correct.
Trust yourself.
By men looking at me, nothing is doing me. But I come here to test, to fulfill all righteousness. Since the federal government or our state government have said that we are to test, I must go and test to obey him. That's the thing. But for me, from head to toe, I'm correct.
Your body complete.
For sure.
God forbid party no. Say they can't talk say.
No, it's impossible.
Only you can do what no man can do.
You are correct.
Unchangeable.
Yes, so yes, I can do.
Do business for this Lagos Street.
Yes.
Could be businessman.
Yes.
You know, so now because of this pandemic, now government locked down this in Lagos Street for business.
This as I see I'm so like. As I see I'm so it be like.
Because no reason wey be say only Lagos Street dey go short. Others are moving normal.
You say other area.
You can
They take place.
They take place. Now we say make we come for food on a
Let's test traders in Lagos Street.
Yes.
If they are positive or negative.
Yes.
But you should say your body clear.
If I no clear, I go dey run. If I no clear, if I see one error, my
Yes. You dey do business for this Lagos Street.
Yes, for Lagos Street, yeah.
You see, I say like because waiting government observe say it happen. Let's say make you come test.
Yes.
Different people they meet una.
Na so e be.
But how you say you don't test yourself?
I don test my own just now. You know, say give me another face man.
What did they ask you?
They said they free, nothing.
They put some
No,
test.
they don't test me, test everything, ask me questions.
They check your temperature.
They don't test everything, and after that they say I dey free. Make I no travel, make I no come out, make I maintain, make I not touch my ear, make I not touch my mouth, make I not touch my anywhere. May I just remain. May I tell people where they house with me. Yes.
They say you clear now.
I clear. I don't test.
So you clear.
You see now?
Only you can do.
Oh,
No man can
only
do.
God, only Jesus.
But we won't beg. You can't test yourself.
I won't contest myself because the government tell me everybody you come. That's why every time they also woman I contest myself. I wash my hand, never go look at me.
You know, say for this Lagos Street, now different people they do it, but you don't test yourself now.
I can't wash hand, never test me. I want test.
Okay, you want the line now.
Hey,
Okay.
they are lying.
And if you do, you want make government make the open Lagos.
Make it help us now. Make it help us open it now.
Okay, no problem. Ogambo, they go make we get the won't go see how the Lagos Street because the truth of the matter be say some people when they sell food items, their food items don't spoil. And you know say this kind of time now farmers want to buy chemical and different things. Chemical now farmers they look for chemicals. This Lagos Street now different, but now since 1933 now business start for you, so business must take place. But we dey investigate the matter.
Bosuno, waiting they happen.
You know they get water.
You know worry about Koro. I believe. Last, everybody gonna be alright.
You don't do your test. Then they come first go do test first.
One go run test, so.
Don't go run test.
Yes, so.
How you see the lockdown?
Man, the lockdown, get that CBO. Everybody they want die, they hungry. It's about 2 weeks now.
According to investigations, so can when they happen for Lagos, that's why they shut them down.
I don't go to the run test for year. I go there, go meet the person they run test. As I say, any coronavirus, they go street. He said no.
Coronavirus pass.
He's not in the Lagos street. If he there for.
I say, man, I go do test before I go open. You don't do your test?
Yes.
You get any message for government?
I want beg government. I beg me open our market. My hungry 1 kilo for us. I beg we don't finish the test. All of us don't do test. Make they come open Lagos Street for us. So me hungry no kilos for us.
Only you can do what no man can do. Unchangeable, reliable. Now only God go fit locate the scientist, the doctor wey go get the cure for this coronavirus, Oga.
so.
As government shut down Lagos Street because of movement of people, how you say, but you don't do your test because government say Lagos Street traders must do their test before they return back, before they go consider them. But how you say?
Well, actually, we must obey the government because now for our own good. So we don't go take our number. The line plenty there, so they want to call us. We'll go do our test. And most of us also don't go do their screening in line with government directive. And moreover, this coronavirus 18, as government say we go stay house, now to protect us, so the disease no go spread. The thing don't to keep people for Europe as stay here. But they pray say it no go reach our side in Jesus' name. So
this Lagos Street, but to you,
yes.
some kind of things happen for this Lagos Street.
Yes.
And as government they take this kind of decision, on you or to you, you like them like this?
Well, at times, if the government take decision, it not go favor everybody. But I don't say the government they do it for our own good. So whether I favor us, whether we like or not like them, not for our own good, because they know the best for us.
No food. With this, since morning we never eat. No food. Now they here now mostly like when we get to children, not girls man. Now yeah for the see my money. What they do here? Since now they has no food. Now go do a shower. I be me the pity for us. Coronavirus not there. I be me the open market.
But they say you go do test now.
I don't do test, Oga. I not carry coronavirus. The coronavirus. Yes, you know what? My family Jesus name.
Make them open.
I beg me the open market. I beg. Hungry won't keep us. I beg. I beg. Oh hungry. I beg.
Huh?
my free money. When I open market, me I dey sell. Make I dey sell. Me I take the chop for us. Me I take the feed my family. I beg when I open now. I beg.
Osunu, waiting they happen.
You know worry, about Koro. I believe. Last, everybody, go dey alright.
Okay, you don't go. Okay.
Don't tell me I dey look for you. I dey look for you. Me don't call you. Me call Lagos. Make us wait till they happen. The COVID-19 no be say no dey o. Whether na Lagos Street here na it dey, we no know.
According to investigation. Say people from different parts of Nigeria they enter here.
If they enter here, now they come from different places now. But we don't dey here for long. Nobody for here will get COVID-19.
You don't fit talk like that. You don't go tell because government say make una dey test una self before they open here.
Now make us lock so.
Now lockdown.
Okay, partial lockdown.
But you don't go test yourself.
I don't go there sis.
You clear.
I don't clear.
Your temperature clear.
Everything clear.
Which message you get from government?
I beg government. I beg may open store for us because the COVID-19. No, now the world everybody knows say it dey.
Nigeria they increase every day.
The way it come be now, hungry day, we dey suffer. It dey affect us. We no fit dey sell. Everybody need money. We need to cater for our children, our family for house. But soon
you no go fit stay for us for 3 months because of this pandemic.
Wait till I take feed my family. Even the food where they say they share, e no reach Lagos Street. Nobody see am. Indomie nothing. Rice nothing. E no reach here. But soon
na partial selling be this.
Na partial selling.
This na partial selling.
Na partial selling because partial lockdown. How we dey so.
Let's shake it. I greet you. Wear your face mask. Wear your face mask.
Don't do with my face mask.
How you doing now?
We get message to the government. The message when we get 2 months, which is 60 days, for man with family take theirs na hunger. You understand me? Now there's me we go do test. We don't go come o. When reach test they remember us. But when they share food, we only see them for telly. We for Lagos Street no see them. Hunger day, 2 months, 60 days. As you dey, you dey receive your salary. If more 10th, lockdown day. The poor they receive their salary, lockdown day. Civil servants they receive their salary, lockdown day. But we businessmen we dey receive the answer na no. How does me we take survive?
Out of those bag of rice, bag of beans, and
we no see am. We no see am. And I want to advise the government. You see that one way go put center for one place. May everybody they march go. It not solve the situation. If they feel do immunization, ask to us. Why they not do this one, ask to us. If me test myself here, my picking one day of here, it test itself. The answer na no.
But how business?
No, if me free for here, my children free for here. No.
If they ask me.
You near government pass me now. I'm far from the government, but you are closer to the government. You're not journalist. So may just do this testing. If you won't really do a may work, now ask to us. If they reach us, they don't test to now, they go mark out.
They open the economy for us, that's it.
Baba, make them open the economy.
Yes, so.
Baba, make them open the economy.
Yes, so.
Okay.
I was alive the time of smallpox. And in fact, the other one, 1970, killed the mother that born my own mother. And that one is even deadlier than this. Under 30 minutes, that person is dead. So, I don't see any new thing here that we will be suffering like this. Let them open up everything. When they open up everything, people interact together, they will get solution to this problem.
This Lagos Street issue, it can't get as it be. As they talk now, me no understand them because me they see am say the Lagos Street issue, say make them not come they stop am, make everybody not say. Because I need the market. Lagos Street here from that junction to this side, na market for food, not be any other market. Then the school, concerning the school where they sell market, so they say make they not they sell, make they sell food for them. And here now they come buy and go that place. Now from here be the grassroots of the food. If anybody go sell something for school, he go sell till evening.
In the evening time, you go close, you go house.
Like wetin you go come back for Lagos?
Beans, potato, rice, name it, onions. Now from Lagos they buy them. So if you go say make them stop here, at least you go affect us for the other side. So make government, concerning the government, say make everybody go, they do test. Lagos Street don't comply, don't take. We they comply. We they do everything according to. But to stop us now, say make we not open store, make we not come out. We not come nowhere we they go inside.
So when show say coronavirus pass here.
Where they pass and go? Unless the pass and go their house, it's not there here. Nothing like coronavirus.
Okay, I for Lagos Street, Benin City, Edo State, South Nigeria. This side when I want enter, so you feel call them say now our northern brothers and sisters now they occupy here with other tribes they occupy here, but like this place on a very good day, beans and rice and different things where they come from the north, like potato, like onions, like beans, like rice. Now here they land, and the lockdown affect them too. According to report, they just tell us say some things don't spoil when they say, but with the investigator and whether they comply to government order. Okay, let's go. I greet you. I greet you. Lagos Street. Hey. Hey, I greet you. Lagos Street. Hey. I say, me afaro. Ah. Which problem now? What did they happen? Me afaro.
Back as well, no market. No market. No market. If we dey shade, before you know, police, they don't shoot us. Go for up any year. Tear gas. Yeah, they shoot tear gas for here. You see when men they fly, they run, they walk through. You yourself, you go on. And the not be small thing with the face. Sir, our potato don't spoil.
Our potato be this.
Our potato be this. Our market don't spoil. As we there and as we down, nothing.
They come. First of all, our outside brothers and sisters who they do business for this Lagos Street, they don't follow government order.
Yes, we follow government order, quite alright. We do tests, they bring tests, everybody do tests for here. And if you can see, go around and see all our traders here, workers here, everybody is on face mark. And if you go around now, you see we get bucket here, sanitizer. We wash our hand well. When customer will come, so look at that sanitizer. Wash your hand before you enter our store. Lagos Street is the heartbeat of Edo, where you can buy onions, beans, rice, potato, and so forth. For here now, if you not get rice, you know if you get them for that place. If you not get beans, you know if you get them for that place. If you see now Lagos Street, now from Ring Road to Dancing, from Ring Road to Ogbagbo Junction, all those are building material and cosmetics that they sell. From Ogbagbo Junction to Navy Street Junction, all those people they sell rice and bean, food stuff. Now they sell. From that Navy Street Junction to Dancing Junction, all those are tailors. Plumbing materials. This Lagos Street here, from that Ogbagbo to Dancing Junction, now food now they sell here. You're not supposed to make this place, they shut down. For like 1 week away, this place don't shut down. There's a problem here in Lagos Street.
Which kind of problem?
Problem of food. No food in Edo State now, as we are talking now. Even they tell to benefit from Lagos Street. They are crying, they will come, they see the thing they cannot buy because the government says everybody should shut down. That's why we are crying to government to come out in our aid.
But nothing's not spoiled now.
It's spoiled. Go back here, see everything spoiled. Let me go. Everything's spoiled here.
You know the quarter.
I don't know the quarter. Potato spoiled. Onion spoiled. Go check away.
Oh yeah, I'm not gonna go back small. So distance. Come go show me where you say what is spoiled.
See ya. See here.
Okay.
My message to government help us to open this Lagos Street market because our customer they come they cried about selling load now. You know people open sell because government don't already give us permission. Number one, it does start this COVID-19, but government leave Lagos Street in the sell. He give us order to open one door to say decide two motor. He don't follow that obey. He they do that thing. One day government say, okay, everybody for Lagos Street to close market, to go house. He give us 3 hours. Before that 3 hours, we have 15 lorries. We bring rice, onions, beans, potatoes, come our market Lagos Street. Since that day, just obey the law. He never give us chance to decide that lot on that day. Some motor that back you go. The one they start for our market, I see everything is full. He lose money more than 50 million naira the last 2 weeks up to now. Because rice, onions, everything don't spoil. But number one, Lagos now be the head of Edo State. Even Delta State now here they come to buy goods to go some state and some part of inside the town. But the time you close Lagos, the bag of onions is 6,000 naira, 7,000. Go ask now inside town. Bag of onions is 15,000 naira. Go Adwa and the people where they sell for outside. It is start for day they sell. Go ask before you close this market. Bean is 16,000 naira to 17,000 naira. Go back check now. How much for the beans? Beans is 22,000 for outside. Go rice, local rice before you close this market is 35,000 naira. Go ask now is 45,000 naira now.
Okay, make I tell you something. You know, say each state for Nigeria, they close what they call border. They see them say those trailers where they bring beans, rice, and bring onions come. Some of our Hausa brothers hide under the motor. Come, they catch them for you.
No, sir. All our motor, all our driver they come from. No, now only driver and the motor and the motor boy and they come. I give you guarantee of that, sir. Because all our lorry, they control them from north. They come our state here because this our estate, Edo State is number one for us. You don't go agree anything happen. Here you don't come check all our people, but no one get anything. Now here for this thing for here. So I don't check, nobody have that thing. Our people cooperate of this government, give us everything. But inshallah now, in the back of government to open. Because you don't want our people now, for outside they say beans like 25,000 naira. Because for Lagos Street, beans is 16,000 to 17,000.
Okay,
rice is 32.
Understand. What this one they try to talk, they say, this Lagos Street so, because of the way they carry beans, rice, onions, potato, and different things come from north. Now here most people from Delta and Edo, they come they buy. When we say the normal common people, they get them. Because of the way they don't shut down now for the past like 1 week or 2 weeks now, rice was supposed to be 1 naira now 5 naira. Something was supposed to be 2 naira now 10 naira. Onions was supposed to be 5 kobo now 30 kobo now. Government, I beg me to look into this matter because now essential commodity, food. But una dey follow government order for here.
Yes. We get sanitizer, we get hand face mask, we get everything. Ensure that nothing where government say we don't do everything.
Make you no worry about Koro. I believe. Last, everybody, go day alright. Oh Miami, make you no worry. Not kill yourself about Koro.
All these onions now, they don't rotten because they don't allow anybody to come buy onions for Lagos streets.
As you can see now, look at it. No store open. All stores will be locked. We will not sell anything. 100 naira we cannot sell for you because we comply with government order. We cannot sell anything.
All these ones now, Nigerian rice.
Nigeria, na shinkafa Hausa ne wannan shinkafa ne na wasu wanda ake kawo daga arewa. Ka gane? Wannan shinkafa kaga duk ya lalace. Nan iya nan buhu nawa ka gani? Duk wannan ya gani na. Kaga shi nan wannan duk lalatacce ne. Duk ya lalace. Dole kaga asara ya shiga ciki. To gwamnati taimaka mana ta bude mana kasuwar nan. Sakamakon me? Wannan shinkafa ba karamin kuɗi bane. Ba karamin kuɗi bane. Duk wannan duk gashi ya dau zafi ya lalace. Aka an ce mu rufe kuma. An ce mu sai wannan mun siya. An ce mu sai abun wanke hannu mun siya. An ce ko mu rufe mu daina taruwa da yawa, ba ma taruwa da yawa. That's why I beg, let me go all this rice. It does spoil. It does spoil. This rice it does spoil.
Come
here. Now you need all this one. See now this here. Here. All this one. That's spoil. All you never pass 10 back.
What did this man they try to tell me say all these things what I see for yesterday don't spoil.
Look very well. Look. Let me say it before.
Hey, it don't change color.
It don't change color.
Okay. Wear your face mask.
I dey vex.
Wear your face mask.
Wetin be this? Na nose mask be this. I dey vex also know.
Wetin happen?
My onion, my potato, everything don rot ten. So we are about to governor say more lock, we don lock. But the one wey come rot ten, wetin we go do now?
Your potato and rice.
Everything and potato and onions, everything don rot ten.
So make dem open
the market. So wetin we need from government now? Make government assist us. Me assist us, abeg.
This your car fine o.
you no worry. About Koro, I believe. Everybody,
no shaking.
Everybody, go day alright. Oh Miami, make you no worry. Not kill yourself.
We don't love for 2 weeks now, nothing. We not feel safe for them, and we they hungry. So waiting me one beg our governor, now good governor, now man of all people, make I beg him, make it open for us. Make it do passion open for us. Then we get waiting they take the wash and anybody come, we'll give distance, it go stay for line. Then so that make we they sell our market, so maybe we still get joy. So now the thing when I want beg her. Now Papa when they listen to children, say I beg her in the name of God. Make it let this market open.
Soon, waiting they happen.
You know the guy water. There is no life.
They die anyhow for this country. We don't know what they keep people. Mortuary now don't fool now. As they talk to you, mortuary don't fool. The way Nigerians they die. Now chemists with this. Some they send your kind drug. Huh?
See the drug. See what they say.
It's not supposed to be like this.
You know, it's not supposed to be like this. So they're not supposed to do drug like this.
Yeah?
See, it's what they sell drug. They give people.
Yeah?
You see, so this one a controlled drug.
Where's the owner of this place?
Madam, the person don't bag us. Yes, say with the car.
Where's the person?
He don't run.
Oh yeah, let's seal off the place.
Yeah?
Seal it up, seal it.
Hey, things they happen, no?
Yeah?
Get a chemist or pattern store. Make sure say you they follow government order to make sure say all these precautions like face mask, sanitizer, water and soap on until they wash and suppose day for that your pharmacy. You not go expensive where people they come they buy medicine. You yourself not protect yourself. I cannot kill myself. You self cannot kill yourself.
You see, no face mask, no face mask, no hand sanitizer, and we can't even see a bucket outside for washing of hands and all that. And based on it, because they've not put these precautionary measures in place, we are sealing this premises. Out.
What did Madam they try to talk say? Because of this coronavirus, they don't say some pharmacy and chemists they know they follow government order to make sure say even the people who they work here they don't wear face masks, those hand sanitizer, not bucket and water for here. That's why government now, Ministry of Health, those states now they enter different pharmacy and different chemists to make sure say they follow government order. That's why now, okay, like this place we are now, waiting be the problem now.
The problem now to even start with the first thing. They don't comply with what the governor talk for the spread of coronavirus. As you can see now, the people who are working here, now that they wear their face mask, you see, they not even the pikin when they here no face mask. You understand?
My message now say, may they adhere strictly to the measures, precautionary measures when government don't put in place. Everybody must wear face mask. Even if you say una dey inside the shop, the customers they will enter. At least to protect yourself and also for the customer too to protect themselves, you must wear your face mask. And government don't say anywhere you dey outside you no wear face mask, say you be dealt with seriously. So that is why we dey seal up this place now, because they no wear face mask.
Soon, waiting they happen.
You know the guy water. There is no life.